Hi, this is Lois Haggard from the New Mexico Department of Health. This is a series of short videos intended for IBIS adopters, Indicator-Based Information System for Public Health, or IBIS-PH adopters. It talks about various types of pages in the IBIS application and how they're created and maintained. First, I want to show the IBIS vision and point out that part of the vision is to present data in a public health context in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. So as I go through these videos, hopefully you'll see how the types of pages differ with respect to the amount of public health context and the ease with which users can access and use them. So the first type of pages are topics pages, infographics, stories, and dashboards. These are fairly static pages. A good example of a static page is New Mexico's contact information page. Static pages need to be maintained and updated by updating the HTML or XML text file for that page. Here's an IBIS topic page. It gives background information, so there's some context, and guides the user to health indicator reports and data queries for this particular topic. Here's a fact sheet with infographic type images, and here's a simple static page, the contact information page. IBIS also has community profiles and indicator reports. Health indicator reports provide charts, maps, background information, and data visualizations on a specific public health objective or indicator. And community reports provide a quick snapshot for a set of health indicators for a specific community. Although the reports are generated dynamically for these two types of pages, the data include relatively static counts and rates that have been pre-tabulated for each report. Both the health indicator and community profile pages use indicator report data that's stored in the IBIS application. And both types of pages are updated by updating the indicator report text and data using a user-friendly web application called the IBIS admin application, which is a sister software product to the IBIS-View application. So here's an example indicator report page, adult smoking prevalence. And here's an example community report page. You can see that this community, Lincoln County, can easily bring up the community report and see where their areas of concern lie. Custom data queries is another type of page and content that's provided in the IBIS system. Custom dataset queries allow a user to query a public health data set on the fly. The user can generate counts, rates, confidence intervals, charts, and maps for data in the raw data set. The user has to select data filters and select how to cross-tabulate the data before they can submit the query and get the results. And the results pages typically provide very little in the way of topic background or public health context. These pages are for users who have a little better understanding of the context and are looking for custom data output. So here's a prenatal care query. Here's a builder page where the user would filter, for instance, to a year and decide how to cross-tabulate the data. And here's a result page for prenatal care in the first trimester. So that's a brief overview of the types of pages in the IBIS-PH application.